Moshi Moshi, what's up everybody? How is it going? Now, obviously I forgot to start restream, so let me start that real quick. All right, there we go. And oh, now I need to obviously connect my chat. That is going to take a bit. Let me remove my mobile phone from my pocket because that's a pain. Wait a second. What rupees one should one? Oh, that's good to know. Anyways, making my markdown parser. That's exactly what I'm looking for. Oh wait, I'm already started. Yeah. How's it going? What's up? What's up? Anybody there? Let me verify that. Live chat. I want to drink water, man. I should have. My bad. A bit late. A bit late. So let's pop out the chat and let's remove that. Now, you might be wondering, why did I pop out the chat when I already have the chat? I have no idea why I did that, but it's all good. Don't mind the music. I hope you cannot hear it, otherwise I will get copyright claim. That's not good for me. Now, here we are. So if you guys don't remember, I was working on this website a few days ago. And what is happening here? So we have our stuff here. As you can see, a lot of placeholders. Then we have this. Looks a bit nice, to me at least. And dude, the gradient. I have no idea how to make a good gradient. So if you guys have any suggestions, let me know. Then we have this crap, and the footer. Now, also everything is in light mode as well. I think the light mode one looks a bit better, to be honest, but can't help it. Some numbers and active innovation. Definitely a Discord bot can be innovation. Then we have the interactive dashboard, which is not made yet. I'll make it soon. Now, the next thing that I have to do is I have to actually make a dashboard. Like we can log in. Awesome. Wait a second. I have a problem here. Control Shift I. I am pretty sure I'm logged in. Okay. So if I go to source, damn, that shows my legit source. What's up? Because it is in dev mode, I guess. Anyways, application cookie. I have a fucking cookie, dude. What's up? What's up with these guys? Let's try to go to localhost 3000/auth/me. Do I exist? Oh shit! My apologies. You are not connected to MongoDB for some reason. Are you fine now? Wait a second. File change detected. Found 0 error. Watching for file changes. What's wrong with these guys? Just work, man. Alright, let's go. Let's reload it. ID, avatar, username. I don't see a token here for some reason. That's weird. That's super weird. What's up with the user card? Request.user, blah blah blah, get user from token. How does that work? Decrypt get user. What the fuck is the get user function? It is going to user data. Okay. Request.user is equals to get user from token. That's Omoshiroe. That's Omoshiroe. In /me, I think I should give the email as well. How am I fetching the data? I need to verify that. What route am I using? Source compo, pages, app. So for user data, I'm doing, yeah, I need to give the email, dude. I want to get the email. Do I need anything else? Nah, I don't need anything else, do I? I don't. So do I have an email here? I do. Awesome. Now, after that, you might be wondering why the hell it doesn't show me as logged in here. It does. The backend must have been offline last time. That makes sense. What the fuck is this? I have no idea. Why do I have a random cookie? Anyways, so we have a login, as you can probably see. And obviously, you can invite the bot as well if you want to. And that's mostly it. Now, you might be wondering, what do we need next? That's a totally legit question, which I'm wondering about as well. But I'll show you. So this is the landing page. Beautiful, love it, awesome design. Now similar to that, I have to select this shit, copy that, paste it. I'll put it here, and this will become like, after landing page we need like dashboard, which is obviously on slash dashboard. Now pretty much here will be the username, and then I don't need this goddamn box. I just realized we don't have the legit box. Copy that, paste that here, pick it up. Looks nice. Obviously need to decrease the size. This is nice. I can use my scroll wheel. I was not expecting that. Anyways, we have username. I think I should probably do this. So we have username, we have the thingy there, we have the button board in the middle, and this is the dashboard page. So we have some big text here. I definitely don't need this, do I? Let's see. This is my dashboard page. Button bot, your management panel. You can use the server source. I probably don't need that. I likely don't need this. I mean, we definitely don't need a hero section in this thing. So we have a bit of text there. That's fine. After that, do we even need text? How does the dashboard look for, like, I don't know, Dino? That's a good example, I'll say. Log in with Discord. Yes, sir. Please log me in. Interesting. So what we can do is we can move this thing a bit like there. Copy that, paste that, increase the size, obviously. And then we have like, what is settings? My name is Dwayne Johnson. Oh wait, that's an example. Okay, damn. And let's look into Me6, because Me6 is beautiful. At least the website is. The website is fucking awesome, by the way. Me6 have a AI now, damn. I mean, their design and stuff is quite nice. Okay, I will do something like that, to be honest. That's the best I can do after all. So where's the damn website? Okay, so your avatar, Karthike's dashboard, you can use this for managing or creating buttons. And then we might want to have a call CTA button here as well, like subscribe for blah blah blah. Nah, that sounds dumb. So I'll move this thing a bit up, and then we need this here. Nah, just add like text. I'm gonna say something like manage server, and then I'll do something like increasing the damn size, put it in the mid or something. Then we need to obviously do more boring things, like, let's think about it. Today internet 2 point. Oh yeah, it's improving, dude. It was 1 point last time. We have some improvement. When I was in the kitchen, that place is a lot better. I will get 4 points there, but that thing is on a different floor, so probably no good internet for anytime soon. So let's think, what kind of card can we have? So we have a box. In the box, we need the logo of the damn Discord server. and the Discord server name, and then a button. Copy that, paste that, damn, bam. Bang. I think I can decrease the size of now this thing. Like, this doesn't seem that bad to me. Like, this is the best I can think in terms of design. Obviously, I can make things a bit roundy, maybe a gradient background to make it look better. What are you up to today? So if you remember, I'm working on button bot so that I can make a lot of money and become filthy rich, and then I can buy a lot of stuff, don't need to worry about shit and things like that. Wait, how will I do all of that with a Discord bot? But yeah, we should be imaginative. So we can actually log in and stuff in it, but this dashboard doesn't actually have a dashboard yet. So today, first of all, I will set up a dashboard page where you can choose your Discord server, and then the actual masses page where you will actually create your masses, you know, like a embed and button and all of that dumb shit. Right now I will decrease the size of this beautiful thing and then copy that. Damn, the alt click works. It is just like Photoshop. Damn. So yeah, I'm assuming that's how I'm just preparing the design for dashboard page. If you have any good idea for like these cards, let me know, because as you can see, this is again the most basic design a human can possibly do, right? I have to improve, man, but no worries, I shall do it someday. Oh shit, that's not what I wanted to do. All right, and then I'll just copy all, wait a second, I'll just copy all of that, copy that, paste, move that here. Instead of manage server, I will be invite server. So these are the servers where the bot is not in yet. So I'll do alt, what the fuck did I just do? Alt click, and I'll put it right there. I will probably have a wave or something, but that's good for now. And then we need to copy the footer as well. Let me just copy the footer. Copy that. Where is my website? There it is. Paste. And somehow I need to center the damn thing. Where's the goddamn center, man? I guess this is a good center. Let me just alt click, shift. Doesn't seem bad. Okay, so that's the design for dashboard page. Doesn't seem bad to me. Just clone the UI. What should I clone? I mean, yeah, I guess that's an average dashboard page, right? So cloning is done. Time to make it. So first of all, in the backend server, I need to make it so I can get the user Discord servers. How do I fucking do that, you might ask? I have no idea myself. I don't need the schemas anymore. Let me delete that. In the payment interfaces, I have payment props. What the fuck? What the fuck? Anyways, don't mind that. So we have auth, we have this, we have static. Auth slash guilds. That seems nice. So if we go on /me, then we get me. Then I can have like a /me/guilds, and then we will get guilds. Get my guilds. Seems like a good idea, man. So after that, we need to somehow get the guilds. If we do not have request.user, we are going to return an empty array because of obvious reasons. But if we do have a user, what do we need to do? We need to fetch user guilds. Then I need to fetch bot guilds. Then I need to common and send. But the problem is I do not have my bot logged in. That means I need to do more Axios shit. Fucking Axios. Okay. So we have get user data. That's awesome. Get user Discord token. That's awesome. So I will copy this route. I think that's what I need to get user Discord servers. And I obviously have no idea how to do that. So I need to go on Google Discord developer portal, or I can just go on my old piece of code and probably find that somewhere. Web, let's see, Anthony Gallery, probably not. Birdbee, yeah, that might help. So slash route slash version 1 slash user. So we can log in, we can get is owner, we can get information, we can get guild information, we can get guilds. This is the one. So bot guilds is equals to that. I'll need to figure that out. User guilds is equals to @me slash guilds. That's too easy, man. What's up? I'm so glad this is so easy. Otherwise, I might need to die or something. Wait, for the Discord bot, it is exactly same. I can do like get bot Discord servers, and I don't ask for an access token because that's most likely in my process.n. What was it? Discord dash bot dash token process.n blah blah blah. And what's next? Let's see, what do we get in a response? We get, okay, that's interesting. Let's steal that piece of code. So I guess I can get all of the guilds. That's totally, oh wait a second, I have a good idea. We need to do some caching. So how do I do caching now? Bot guilds is equals to cache is an empty array, last updated at 0. That seems nice. Then I can do this. If this dot bot guilds dot last updated at date dot now, if like we updated last at like, I don't know, man, 5 minutes. If this time is less than 60, 1 2 3, that's a minute multiplied by 5, that's 5 minutes. Then just return the damn this dot bot guilds dot cache. Otherwise we're gonna fetch the damn thing. I think I should use Axios because I installed it, dude. I guess fetch is fine. It is not that bad. So pretty much I'm doing await fetch, get my guilds dot then JSON, return the data. But before returning that, I want you to do this dot bot guilds dot cache is equal to that, and then the time is equal to now. AI is fun. Hey buddy, give me a logic idea. If I in Discord use slash command like generate to database and show in the website. Okay, let me stop the music. So you want a logic idea for a Discord slash command in which a user will do that, and then it will generate to database and show in website. So how will I do that? Now let me restart the music because I was able to think of a logic. So what you have to do is, let's say this is our beautiful, oh fucking hell. So this is our beautiful, just let me make the box Discord. So user will do slash, I cannot write everything, so Jan 6969, right? And if the user will do that, what your bot will do after that is, so bot will say something like, bot will just respond and say like good. And then what you have to do next is take this number, user and whatever and put it in your database like MongoDB, because that's what I use. You can use anything else. So as soon as this thing is in database, that means you can do anything now. Now go on your website. This is your beautiful website, web, W-E-B. So in your web page, what you have to do is whenever somebody will open it, you just get that list from MongoDB and then you just display the damn thing, I guess. Now if you have a question on how you will get the MongoDB from your backend, from your website, then I will say make like a express route in your Discord bot like slash gen, and then whenever somebody will go on this gen route, it will return all of these things from MongoDB stuff. I guess that should be that should be how we do it, right? I hope that's how we do it. Anyways, get user Discord server, blah 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 blah. That's awesome. Now, if somebody wants to get my guilds, what do I do? Oh, I guess what I can do is okay, this is a security matter. Just give me a second. You guys can look at nothing for now. I just want to see how I am doing some couple of things, right? Couple of things, okay? /discord blah 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 blah. Get user data from code. Da 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 da. What the fuck is that? Damn, that's some shit ass piece of code. What the hell is wrong with me? I'm not even storing their access token. How will I do it then? My apologies, guys. I found a dumb thing. Let me start storing the access tokens so I can actually make the HTTP requests. Why am I so dumb? I don't know, man. That happens once in a while. But not to worry about it, because I can fix that right now. I need to encrypt the damn thing, then decrypt the damn thing. Token is a pain. Well, I already have an encrypt and decrypt function, so that's not a pain, I guess. This dot encrypt. How do I? Where is the encrypt thing? This dot globe. Oh wait, you guys can see the screen again. To be honest, window. Nah. Yeah, window. Yeah. Ah, where is that? Yeah, you should try it. I mean, you should try it today. Try it right now. That's totally doable and fun. So we are encrypting the access token. Do I need to do anything in the encrypt function? I have no idea where is the encrypt function. Encrypt, blah, blah, blah. Okay, that's awesome. So I'm encrypting the access token. I don't really want the refresh token. Fuck it. Should I have it? Nah, who cares? Who cares about access token? That's not even real. So I have this blah 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 blah. Now I want to get the user data. How do I do that? How do I get the user data? So what I can do is request.user, huh? Okay, let's look at the guard. So I'm doing get user from token. What is get user from token? Token, decrypt the token. This dot get user token da da da. Okay, that makes sense. So after this, what I'm going to do is const user guilds is equals to this dot auth service dot get a user Discord service. Now for the access token, I'm just gonna do this dot auth service dot decrypt. Sorry, this dot globals. How do I decrypt? This is so bad, man. I need to get my damn thing here as well. That sucks. Private auth service. Interesting. What if I will export the global module as well? I don't think that does anything. I guess I need to go on the damn that, copy this, comma, enter, paste, enter, and then enter. Now what do we do next, my friends? This dot global service dot decrypt bracket, what is the string? Wait a second, I am dumb. I don't need to do none of that. Why decrypt it myself? The auth service will decrypt it themselves. I could care less about that. So we are doing all of that bullshit. Go to this section. We have the access token. Obviously, we need to do this dot global service dot decrypt. Awesome. Now, what is next? So I have the user guilds. Now I need the bot guilds. Let's also, I need to. The thing is, I have no fucking idea how to fetch Discord API to website. Why do you want to fetch Discord API? You have to make your own API. Like, what I'm trying to say is, let's say somebody used your Discord bot. They ran like gen 6969. Now you will reply with yay 6969 generated. After that, just save in your MongoDB that @ this user, or maybe the user ID generated 6969 and blah blah blah, whatever you want to store. Now you have to make your own express server or a fastify server or whatever http server you want to do. Like for example, any random bot I'll open. I hope. Okay, that's a wrong one. Like for example, this one. So if I open this piece of shit code, you will see that I have a app.get. Then what you have to do is, it can be something like /get/gen. Now what you need to do is just do await gen model dot find, get everything, and then just response dot send the data. That's it. That's all you have to do, and you are done. And then from your website, what you need to do is just fetch your API location /gen/get, whatever the URL was, and you're done. You don't really need to worry about Discord API unless you want to do like Discord login and all that weird things. What the fuck is this? TS is being weird. Background clip, that's also done. Now music back. Where was I? Oh yeah, close this. I forgot where I was, to be honest. I think I was in the backend server, yeah. So then we need to get the bot guild. So bot guild goes to this dot auth service dot get bot. Damn, why do you know all of that? Why does this thing know all of that? What the hell, dude? Do you want to get me like fired or something? Oh, my bad. Let me fix that. It is going to be an array of guild, just like you. Now you guys might be wondering, now TypeScript might be wondering, what is guild? I will define that. Export interface guild. How does a guild look like? I have no fucking idea, to be honest. I'll just look into the documentation, Discord developer portal. I really want to drink water, man. Thanks, man. No problem. No problem at all. /me/guilds. Guilds. Yeah, this sucks. User. So we have user, get user, and get current user /me. Yeah, there it is. So our guild looks like all of that. Let me just copy all of that, and we'll just, why do I have to do this? I fucked it up. I don't really like all of these. I'll remove all of that. Now this is going to be a string. Name is definitely a string. Icon is definitely a string. Owner is a boolean. And then permission is a number, I guess. Seems like a number to me. Features, I could care less. And member count, approximate member count. That's a number. I'll keep it. It might come handy. And what the hell happened there? Oh, I fucked up the quotes. That's nice. What's your problem, man? Oh shit. It's all good now. So we have the guild. Let's import the damn thing. We still have 2 errors for some reason. What's your problem? Oh, you don't trust me. That makes sense. Anyways, the cache is going to be as an array of guild. Nice. Now what's your problem? The return of type async functional method must be the global promise started. Oh shit, my apologies. I totally forgot it's a promise. And oh shit, dude, my window opened and my speaker is on the ground now. What's the problem, dude? Oh, it's a wait. Okay, that's not a big deal. I can make it a wait any time of the day, bro. And we're done. Blah blah blah. Now we need to filter the stuff. First of all, user.guild.filter v dot permissions. There was some stuff, man. I need to copy some piece of code again. Blah 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 blah. Seems nice. Let's do that. And instead of that, we need to do v. So v dot permission blah 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 and bot dot guild dot sum blah blah blah. Seems legit. I have a feeling this will work. Let's find out. So if I go on localhost 3000, oh shit, what happened? 3000 auth/me/guilds. It will hopefully work, but that didn't work. Okay. Oh, because they don't have my access token. Let me log in again. All right, that's fine. I want to like console log it, but if I will console log my access token, I'll get fucked here. So we cannot take that risk. Now if I reload this thing, it might work. An empty array. So you are saying, that is possible, but still, what the fuck? Console.log user guilds, comma bot guilds dot length. How is this possible? Let's just json.stringify this. Okay, json.stringify this, comma null, comma 2. Copy that piece of code, dumb and dumb, and let's reload this piece of page. What's happening? Nothing happened. Reload again. Nothing happened. Reload again. And that's weird as fuck. Why is this thing an empty array? Oh, that might be the reasoning. I will need to console.log the request.user. I'll reload the damn page because the response was too quick, right? So that's totally a possibility. And it was null. Awesome. Awesome. Wait a second. User guard, blah, blah, blah. Okay, that's interesting. Let's console.log the request.cookie. And reload the damn page. And cookie exists. And it have like 69 spaces for some reason. Okay, that's okay. Let's just Control Shift I. Let's go to like the cookie is here as well. There are there are like 69 spaces here as well. Yeah, there are. So if I reload this, what happens? Let's log in once more. What the hell? Is my login broken? That's not possible, right? I think it might be broken, to be honest, because it didn't send me to the home page. That's odd. Let's look at my piece of code once more. So we have login. If I go on login, the user will try to fetch me, and then if the code doesn't exist, that happens. Otherwise this happens. Logged in successfully. Why did it not navigate me to the slash? What's happening? Let's go to the home page. This is odd, man. Localhost 3000/auth/me. Oh wow. Once in a while I hit myself. What should I do? I don't know, man. Okay. So I have request.cookies, right? So I have cookies. So what's the problem? Why does this code hit me? Let's go to auth controller. Somebody came here, they tried to log in, and then I'm setting the damn thing. Auth data.token, and then I'm sending them to the damn website. So why the hell that didn't work? It's redirecting me to there. I am here. I click on authorize. Now I am here. And then it sent me to, and it worked this time. And why did it not work like last 100 times? If I reload, that worked. If I reload this, and awesome. So we have some 401 unauthorized messages. User guilds.filter is not a function. That makes a bit of sense. No, it doesn't. So you are saying that user guilds.filter is not a function. So you are saying that this thing is not returning me an goddamn array. Are you crazy? Why is it not returning me an array? Something is wrong here, right? I guess. .json. Omoshiroi bakatachi. Omoshiroi. Let's reload that page. Oh! It is responding back with that. That doesn't make sense. Let me look into some private things. You have this fake token that I make. That's fine. That doesn't make sense, does it? Where is the JSON.stringify? Oh, it is unauthorized for both of the cases. Okay, that's interesting. Request.user.token, maybe that's the problem. Let's go here and let's console.log this and this.global service.decrypt that. Just give me a second, guys. You can look at, let me figure out a screen for you guys, okay? You can probably look at Chrome. That's not a bad thing. Yeah, you guys can look at that, right? Look at that. Meanwhile, I'll just look into stuff. So I have the access token. Okay, I understand that I don't have the Discord bot token. That makes sense. I'll add it right now. I do have it, you piece of shit. What the hell? Let me verify the token real quick. Local disk e Discord bots. Wait a second. I need to verify what. Localhost 3000/auth/discord. So you are logging in me with Krazy bot beta. Okay. So for that one, the token should be like, oh, fucking hell, dude. I just realized if somebody wants to log in from button bot. Well, I'll look into that. We have tutorial bot. Where is the template? Let's go to .m, copy that, paste that, control. That token is right. I mean, the token is fine. And now that's even more weird. Okay. Let's do .catch is equals to e.response.data. And I'll add the same thing like there. And you guys can look at my screen, I guess. Yeah, that's fine. So I'll comment on that one. Just return an empty array for now. And let's go back to this beautiful page, auth me/kills, reload the damn thing. And we have the fake token, we have that. It is unauthorized for both cases. That's weird. Let me check one thing once more. This is a bit odd, right? Fake token is there. This is there. This is there. This is there. Okay. What's up? What might be up? Maybe it's unable to decrypt the damn thing? How is that possible? Let me try this thing real quick. I encrypted it, so it needs to be decrypted. But what if I don't decrypt that? Obviously that will not work. What were they thinking? And then I just reload the damn page. That didn't work. I'll reload it once more. And access token. Why the hell it is not decrypting? Why the hell it's not decrypting the damn thing? I have no idea. Anu. Okay, let's think about it. I just logged in, blah blah blah. Find user and update. Access token is equals to encrypt response.access token. Right. Yeah, that's weird. Let me just console log that. This and the actual Discord response token. And then I'll try to log in once more. Let's log out first of all. Logged out. And then let's log in. It's logging me in. Amazing. Click authorize, and then I have a fake token. I have couple more fake tokens. I am logged in. Okay, that's awesome. I'll go to auth/me. That's awesome. I'll go to auth/me/guilds. Nani Diska. Where the fuck is that? Very session, comma. Now let's do that. This is quite interesting if you guys ask me. I cannot get the guilds of a user. How am I supposed to make a dashboard then? I guess the skill issues are real. That's very sad to hear. Anyways, hey, this is... The encryption is working as far as I can see. That's awesome to hear, I guess. So you are encrypting the damn thing and that works, right? Now when I'm getting the Discord server of a user, let's try to get that now. So let's try to get the Discord servers. And I see like 100 logs, which makes no goddamn sense. For some goddamn reason. Let's reload it again. It doesn't even respond. What the fucking hell? Let's see. Get user Discord servers. Am I even running that? I'm definitely running that. Console.log request.user. Reload that piece of shit. Reload it once more. It's null. How is that possible? I have a feeling I know why this is happening. So if I go on to this page of user guards, instead of, I can do this question mark dot replace all the spaces with the slash. I think that might work. Let's find out. And that didn't work. What's wrong? Why is this token not working? Should I log in again? This is weird. So you are saying that once in a while it will just not work. That's what you're saying. We have a plus there in the token. Now we have a slash there. Interesting. Now if I go on the guilds page, we have a couple of error messages. That's sensible. So this is what we see, and this is what we get. 94 hun. I really want to scream right now. So I am saving that thing in database, but when I'm actually trying to access that thing is not accessible for some reason. What the fuck? Am I console logging request.user? I am. That's why, because I do not have a access token property in my schema. Fucking hell. Like that's super hilarious, dude. That's like the, I don't know, man. That was dumb. That was dumb. Okay, let's see. I have a token, blah 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 blah. That worked, awesome. Let's go to guild. I'll reload, and we have nothing. Amazing. I do have a fake access token there. That's good to see. But that thing didn't work as well for some reason, because I am dumb. That's totally fine, that happens. Now I'll go to the type definition of that thing. I'll just copy paste access token. Amazing. Let's reload the page. And that probably didn't work. Let's reload again. And this worked. So we have like 100 guilds now. Congratulations to me. Now we need to figure out why I am unable to access or like get the bot guilds, right? So how the hell am I supposed to get the bot guilds now? Da 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 da. I wonder, man. Okay. So we have the user guilds. In the bot guilds, what am I doing? I'm doing get this bearer token. Do we do bearer in bot? Probably. I am not sure. I think we need to do something else. I'll go to the dev portal. Get current guilds. Huh. How does a bot fetch its guild? Let me just look into Discord.js. How do they do that? Oh wait, by the way, you guys, oh, you are already seeing it. Let me remove all of the console logs so I don't show my real thing by mistake. That will kill me. I don't want that to happen. I'll remove that as well. I'll control/that. Ouch. And then I'll remove that. I'll remove that. I'll remove none of that. I'll remove that. So for the bot guilds, I was doing that, but that's not working anymore. So you guys can look at my beautiful window now. So in Discord.js, let's go to their GitHub and apps, probably guide website. Nah, probably no. Package, create Discord bot. Discord, they have like 10 packages. That's interesting. So they have source, index.js. I like to see where you have the client. We have one client there. Dot search client. Okay. Client, interesting. So we have our beautiful client dot guilds. Okay. Okay, fetch guild preview. That's not what I'm looking for. Fetch guild widget. Make your a search param, option dot guild, blah blah blah. So let's look into guild manager, right? source/managers/guild manager. Okay, so we have super blah 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 blah, iterable, add, super add data cache blah blah blah, resolve id, async add user comma option, lot of bullcrap, me, and then we have fetch. So this dot fetch many. Okay, line 225, fetch single, fetch many, limit blah 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 blah. What is nonce? I have no goddamn idea. Anyways, new promise, resolve reject, guild.shard.send, op request guild members, guild id presence. Wait, I wanted the guild manager, not guild member manager. Damn, dude, I was on the wrong manager so far. Okay, so we have resolve, doesn't matter. We have create, doesn't. We can create a fucking guild. That's a different create, but okay. Fetch. So if id is there, we do client.rest.get routes.guild bracket id, shard id for guild. Otherwise, this one client.rest.get user guilds, make URL search param option, data.reduce collection.set guild.id blah 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 blah. Okay, now my question is, my boy, what the fuck is user guilds? Let's look into that. What the fuck is routes? Okay, let's find where you are importing that shit from. From this goddamn thing. Now let's search that goddamn thing and steal the route. I think I should just simply look into the I have no idea what to do. Okay. So global blah 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 blah. Damn. Gateway route version 10.ts. What was the route again? Routes dot user guilds. Okay. Control F, user guilds. Common version 6. Probably it is in REST. Application, we have a guild thing. Nah, then we must have user. Let's search guild. REST API current user guild query, doesn't matter. Am I dumb? I can just do this. Control KO. Let me just open a random Discord bots like template, and then what I can simply do is I can just look at piece of code right now. Let me show you how. Routes. Let's import it. Come on. This is equals to require Discord API types. This is the package, right? Yes, that's it. npmi that, enter that, /v10. So then we need to do routes dot user guild. So it is /user /@me/guilds. That's it. So they're doing the same thing. So I wasted all of that time to do nothing. This sucks. Shit. Okay. Oh shit, my mic. Damn. Okay, guys. Whew. So what am I doing again? Let's control X that. Anyways. So we are doing get bot guilds /API /version 10 /user @me/guilds /guilds. In the headers I have authorization. Do I not have the ability to read .env? Is that possible? Is that really possible? I mean, no, it is not possible because my PayPal works. So I do have the ability to read. Now, this is very interesting. v.json. So my human friends, we need to just console log the bot guilds, and then let's go to the page, reload the damn thing. So it is 401 unauthorized. Fuck you. That's interesting. So the Discord API is saying fuck off because I'm not authorized. How do we do authorization again? Discord bot auth header. How do we do authorization? We do bearer, right? Or do we do bot? Oh, we might do bot. That's totally possible. Rookie error, rookie. Damn. Let's reload. Will that work? Holy shit, that worked. Fucking hell. Now we just respond back with the common guilds and we are done. So we need to do few things, my friends. First of all, we need to check what bot they want to get, right? So they're trying to get my guilds. I will like to have @query, which is called bot. Now when you're trying to get the bot guilds, send bot, go here, blah blah blah. It is a string which blah blah blah. Discord bot token dash dollar bot. Now I'll just do that. Awesome. We don't need the full stop anymore. So by default, what should I make it? I should make it like beta, right? And then what you know what I'm going to do in the dot end? I'm very glad. I just go to this underscore beta. That's nice. So we have the stuff ready. We might need one for BB, that will be button bot. And that's interesting. Let's reload this page. And we got an internal server error. Bot guilds.sum is not a function because I'm assuming this thing doesn't exist, I guess. Let me just console log that real quick. That's funny, dude. Discord. Yeah, that worked. Blah 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 blah. Amazing. So my human friends, as you can probably see, we can get the guilds now. Awesome. So let's go to our template. No, let's close the damn thing. But before that, let's uninstall that. After that, go to button bot. So we need to make the page called dashboard. And I wonder how do we make that? Let's copy paste that, go here, let's rename that to like dashboard. Before that, I like to go in the logout page. When somebody tries to log in, why don't I fucking nav them to the goddamn home page? Dumb as me. I like to go to the login. I like to copy how the nav works, and I'll just put that there. I need to import that. Awesome. So then we go to dashboard page. Well, that's not good enough. I'll go to app.tsx. I'll copy that. I'll go there, paste that. I'll do user guilds. I'll get that. Bang, bang. Then this will be an array of guild. Now you might be wondering what the hell is a guild. I'll define that in a second. So if I go to my interfaces, I have guild right there. I'll copy the interface. I'll go to my white. I'll define that there. Go to logout. Why the hell I'm making these changes in the logout? That was a rookie error. Go to dashboard. I need to make those changes here. Bang, bang. I'll do user guilds. Patch the backend. Guild. Why the hell this thing doesn't work? I have copied the wrong interface. Really? I can make a rookie error like that one? Damn. I mean, I'm a rookie, so that kind of makes sense, but I didn't want you to accept that, right? So I guess if not user guilds, then we just say you are not logged in. Fuck off, human. Otherwise, we actually do some stuff, right? I like to console log the user guilds. Array.isArray, that will be a better one. Now we go to this section. We could care less about that. We want to go to the home page. We scroll to the top. Now when we are actually logged in, I want to have a section which will let me enter my amazing dashboard. That's very close, but cannot complain about that. I think probably. Yeah, I probably should do something about it. From 800 pixels onward. That's weird. Anyway, slash dashboard. Nice. Console. We have an object. That is weird. Or slash me slash kills. That will improve that. Oh, the page doesn't even exist, man. That's on. Header, and we have app.tsx. I like to have one for dashboard. Dashboard. You might be wondering why the dashboard doesn't exist. No problem, React. I'll help you out. Bang, 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 bang. And then we need to go on app.tsx once more. Import that. What the hell is that? So if I reload that, I'm logged out successfully. What? That's a lie, obviously. Now if I go on there, bam, 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 this says that. Could care less. So what do we do? First of all, we have like 100 console logs, which piss me off. I need to remove them. Cookies.token, no need. Data, no need. Error, you can keep that. User guilds, no need anymore. Control Shift I. Yeah, everything is there. That's amazing. So my human Karthike, what do you want to do? I need to look at my design once more to remember what to do. So if we go to Xscaly Draw, we have a lot of stuff here which should be removed because we don't need that anymore. Now in the dashboard, we have the we have it. Then we okay, that makes sense. So in the dashboard, I'll request for user data, and user data is going to be a user, and then I'll make it. If we do not have user data or that, then do that. Now for some reason the user, I guess it is called auth user or something. That's dumb as fuck. Auth user have a ID, username, and an avatar. That's enough, to be honest. Now in the dashboard page is going to be user data. You are an auth user. What's the problem? Oh, it can be null, right? Awesome. So if we go back, we no need to go back. No need to go nowhere. So this is my page, blah, blah, blah. Right. So first of all, we have to make an empty element. In that, first of all, we have the profile, div dot user mini. What should I call it, man? The class names are so hard to. So this is a section in which I have username and a bit of description of this dashboard, right? Dashboard hero. Come on, dude. That's not bad. Okay. We have username and we have text. Okay. I mean avatar image. Source is going to be user data dot avatar. Alt is going to be avatar. Then we have div dot text area, in which first of all we need to have a h2, which will be like user data dot user names dashboard. Then we need to have a p manage connected Discord servers below. You can also invite the bot in your admin servers. Is there anything else which I can say? I'll say nothing is more needed anymore. Why is this thing above all of that? What? Why are these buttons above all of that? What the hell, dude? That's unacceptable. I guess if I go to hero section, it is called hero container. Should I just steal that? At least they are not above everything. Then for some reason footer is like that. That's weird. What's happening? Let's inspect this. We have main area, theme box, blah blah blah, dashboard hero, and blah blah blah. Right. Okay, let's try something out. Okay. So we have all of this bullshit. We don't care about none of that. We don't care about price section. We care about our dashboard guilds dot dat. Now I want this thing to have a position of absolute. Let's say that's not good. Am I missing something? Let's go to home. How does home work? Okay. Let's add that. Okay. What if I remove that piece of code and I add it in the app.tsx, like here. Okay, like here. I'm logged in. Come on, don't lie to me. Come on, dude. You don't have to be a liar. Come on. If this thing says I am logged in, that means you are lying. Why will I not have my damn things? You are lying, dude. This thing's different. Oh. User guilds dot filter is not a function. I guess I rewrote it a bit too much or something. Rate limit. Ah, that's possible. I guess I will do some caching. It's caching time. Maybe let's go to the user Discord servers. User guilds will be a new map. Then what we are gonna do is pretty simple. User, okay, obviously. So key is going to be a string, value is going to be a guild, value is going to be a last updated at number comma guild, going to be that. Bam. Right. So we are gonna have get user Discord data const cache is equal to this dot user guilds dot get. No, that's not what I was doing. Get user Discord servers. I guess I'll store it with the access token in the cache. Const token is equal to that. Get token. Token, awesome. Now obviously we need to have a similar system like that. Instead of that, we'll do this question mark 0 is less than that. Then we're going to return cache dot guilds. Now how can I mess it up like that? Okay, Otherwise, what we're gonna do is exactly. This thing is too smart, man. Yeah, it's too smart for me. Okay, I'm still probably in some kind of timeout. Cannot read property of undefined reading guilds. If cache is undefined, date.now minus cache question mark to last updated if this thing is less than 5 minutes. How is this thing less than 5 minutes if this thing is undefined? I have no idea. If cache exists and all of that. Okay, let's... Amazing, let's reload. That's improvement right there. So now, obviously, the buttons, the stuff is like overlapping for some reason. No idea how to fix that. I'll look into it. So we have dashboard hero. We'll go to index.css. We have dashboard hero position just terms index 5, and there we go. Now you guys might be wondering, how do I make it look more beautiful? I have no idea myself, but we can try. So the image which is directly inside of that. Before that, I would like to have some padding, like top can be 5vh, this can be 8vw. Not bad. Image should have like a width of 256 pixels. Similar to that, I should have a height of 256 pixels. But obviously, circular things are better for some reason, so I'll make it like that. I have a feeling it's a bit too big, but I'll just make it 200 pixels. 256. Okay, that change is noticeable. Now after that, you guys might have noticed it already. I'll make it display flex. But if I make it display flex, other things can get fucked up. So we need to figure something out about that. We have dashboard hero, then we are going to have a div dot intro. And then what we're gonna do is we will have a dot intro which will be display flex. And I'll just remove that, paste that here, control stuff. That's improvement right there. Then we have a message from bull. Damn, I have a feeling that might have some abuse and roasting for me, so I'll hide the screen. So bull is asking me to check. Wait a second. So bull is asking me to check his Instagram live story. That's very weird. Why is bull using Instagram? I have no idea. He's a great person. Paid. I don't think I should check it on my stream, because then I might show something like my Instagram account name. Well, that won't do shit, will it? Probably not, but still, I should try to be safe. I need to find bull somehow. Arthur Singh, there he is. Holy shit. Okay, so oh shit, something bad happened. Okay, my mic is fixed now. Oh shit, it is. What the fuck is wrong with this mic? All right, I mean, what the fuck is wrong with the mic stand, to be precise? Anyways, let's find the story again, because I left it by mistake. समर्पित कार्यकर्ता भाई साहब बॉयज नाइट आउट इन जेल Well, that was interesting, I will say. And I'll close the application now, and let's get back to window. There we go. So where were we? Wait, do I have any messages? That's weird. Why do we? Okay, so let's focus again. Blah 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 blah. That's awesome. Now I think this thing is a bit too big. Do you guys think so? Oh, okay, I'll make it 164 pixels. Damn, that's probably a bit too small, lol. Okay. Anyways, you have to worry about the H2 in here. So H2 can have a font family of Roboto, if that's how we spell it. I cannot spell my fonts, man. What's wrong with me? Circular and robot. I'll do circular and poppins, to be honest. So we were at 7 or something. I'll do circular for that. And then for the rest of the, oh shit, copy that, paste that. Everything else can be poppins. Blah 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 blah. That looks nice. Now obviously I like to have justify content space around. That's weird. Let's do border 2 pixels solid red. I like you to have a width. I like you to have, I can just do like gap of 50 pixels. And then where's the text area again? We have a text area, right? Dot text area or something. Border 2 pixels solid red. Awesome. Now I would like to have height of fit content and a margin of 0 auto, more like auto. Okay, and I like to have a bit of margin bottom on that thing, 10 pixels. Doesn't seem bad, to be honest. It looks fine, right? Probably. Anyways, np, I like to give it a color of, oh shit, color of variable dash dash gray 200. Okay, that's okay, that's okay. That's not bad at all. So we have the intro area ready. Now we need to worry about cards. And okay, so how do I do that? Intro is there. We need to copy paste some stuff once more. So if I go on home, you will see an H1 called section heading. I will copy it, paste it a couple of times. First of all, we have manage servers. Then secondly, we have invite servers. Now the dashboard hero class, you're giving me bad vibes, my man. What's up? Maybe it doesn't feel centered for some reason. Okay, let's do something about it. Index.css dashboard width should be 100 VW. Okay, remove that. Why are those things that far away? God damn it. So we have border 2 pixels solid red. That makes sense. The intro box, that doesn't make sense, obviously. Okay, I'll do something about it. So I'll give you a width of fit content. That's relatively better. Is this thing centered? That doesn't feel centered at all, I'll say. So we need to do something about that. Section heading. How do I manage that? Section heading have a width of it content. It have a margin 0 auto, right? That doesn't feel very 0 auto to me. I'll inspect this. Box sizing, border box. Okay, there we go. I was like, what's up? Now it makes sense. Okay, manage servers, invite servers. You know what? I have a good idea. Okay. In the section heading, I have this little stroke thing. I like to have it here as well. And let's try to make it a bit lighter. That was a mistake. This is a mistake. Doesn't seem that bad, doesn't seem that nice. Let's try like primary 900. That obviously didn't work. What else can I do? I have like secondary, which didn't work as well. Then what? I have warning as well. Let's. I guess I'll do secondary, to be honest. It's not that bad. Anyways, we can go back to our beautiful dashboard thingy. If I can find it. There it is. So we have this blah 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 blah. Now in the manage server and invite server, blah blah blah. That makes sense. Then what? Then I need to do some stuff. Oh, I have a good idea, dude. You know what I can do? It's back in time, baby. It's back in time. If I can, there it is. So as you guys can see, when we are doing this thing, we are just saying blah 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 blah, right? What if I do not do that? Instead, we can have const common guilds, and then we can have one for uncommon guilds. Then we run a for loop, let I is equals to 0, I is less than user guilds dot length, terminate I plus plus. Then I'm gonna do this, const v is equals to user guilds bracket I. Then if this thing is not true, then we are just gonna continue. Shit, I want to continue, dude. Okay. Now after that, if bot guilds includes that, that's a GG. If it doesn't, that's not a GG. That's still a GG. So if bot guilds includes, then we are just gonna do common guilds dot push the v. Awesome, my boy understands me. Now instead of all of that crap, what we're gonna do is common guilds comma uncommon guilds. Right now this is still not done. Now we need to actually make those changes in that section where it is. Okay, so fetch backend. It is not guild, dude. It is more like common guilds and then we have uncommon guilds. That's very sensible. So then the question is, if common, sorry, what is it called? Guild data I guess I can remove that, to be honest. Then what I can do is not guild data. By default, what is this thing called? By default it is null, right? Okay, what do I do then? Let's give it a default value then, comma default value will be empty arrays. Yeah, that's sensible. So what we are gonna do here is, my friends, guild data dot common, if length is greater than 0, then we are doing some mapping. Okay, guild data dot map blah blah blah, and then I'll just do guild card guild comma I p is equals to I. Then I'll do dot 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 guild. Nah, I'll do guild is equals to that blah blah blah. Otherwise we just I need to give a note. I guess I can just do a p tag, to be honest. No manageable guilds. I'm not pretty sure about the spelling of manageable. Otherwise the code looks good. M-A-N-A-G-E-A-B-L-E. M-A-N-A-G. Oh damn, I was right about it being wrong. I'm starting that. I have a map. I need another bracket there. No manageable guilds, blah blah blah. No manageable guilds. None. No invitable. It should be no or none. Zero. None invitable guilds. No invitable. I guess no is fine. Now let's actually make another component. I'm gonna call it this slash index.tsx. I'm gonna export this function. It will be guild card props, more like just do that. Guild is going to be guild. I guess that's pretty much it. I'll just return like div.guild card, blah blah blah. I'll have a h1, sorry, h2 for. I just want to make a basic one real quick. Guild.name. Before that we need an image. Source will be guild.icon, which will obviously not work, but bear with me, my friends. Get guild icon. Now you might be wondering, why did I do that? Give me a bit. This thing will be equals to slash dashboard slash dollar guild.id. Now if you have to manage or not. Oh, manage, this thing is going to be a boolean. So if it is manageable guild, just give me a second, slash dashboard manage. So if this thing is manageable, then we do that. Otherwise it is slash invite question mark guild is equals to that. And now we have to define that function as well. Let's go to my utility. I'll export a function for icon code. Create Discord server icon URL. So you want me to go and copy my old piece of code or do some Google search? I'm gonna copy some piece of code then. Burway backend source router version 1 slash user. So we are returning them their guilds, right? Where is it? Guild info. Nah. Slash guilds. So we have user guilds and v.icon. If that is available, then we are doing all okay. Let's copy that. What is this thing? Oh, damn. The content is no longer available. That is super sad, dude. So we are doing blah blah blah. Oh, I'll just get the guild itself, to be honest. So instead of v dot, we will be doing guild dot, and if not guild dot icon, then we'll return some to guild Discord logo. Probably a free one will be better. How the hell this thing is a Discord logo? I guess I'll just use this, to be honest. Copy clean link. It ain't that bad, but I don't want to copy image, go to back hashtag T. I'll go here, to be honest, paste that, backspace, right click that, copy the URL. Then we are just returning them the URL. That's awesome. Otherwise we're doing blah 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 blah. That's nice. And the guild card, we will replace that with this. That's awesome. Now we need to get the guild card exported. Oh, this reminds me. Once me and my brother were on a trip and we entered some random place. It was like some kind of art or something place where they create like statues and shit like that. We thought let's buy a souvenir or something. But the issue was those souvenirs or whatever we call them, they were a bit too big. They were like big elephants and big bull crab and stuff like that. So obviously we didn't purchase anything. But my brother creates videos. So he took his camera out, I mean his mobile out, and he started to record the videos. And guess what happened? That place was an export place something, so we are not allowed to do that and we were kicked out. It was quite fun. That was like I kicked out from somewhere after a long time, and it's been a while, so I enjoyed it. Anyways, what the hell? So what's your problem, man? Oh, manageable is true. For this thing, manageable is going to be false. That thing is not loading. I could care less. Now in the invite page, I have to do something. Blah 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 blah. I want to use params. No. Use query. Yes. Const query is equals to use query. Obviously, I have no idea how to actually import that thing. I'll assume. Thank you very much. That didn't work. How do we use queries again? Do I just do window dot location dot, it must be somewhere, host port origin reload search. What is search? Let's find out. Control shift question mark x equals to 1 2 3. Oh damn, look at that piece of shit. What the hell is wrong with the footer? I'll do something about it. So we have console, right? I have a problem, man. I'll think about it later. Anyways, window dot location, not that dude, location dot search. Let's go. That's exactly what I wanted. So what I can do is const query is equals to search. Oh damn, query dot I will like to console log that, and I will like to comment this piece of code. So let's try to like wait a second. In the guild card, this thing should say invite, right? I got scared, dude. There we go. For some reason, both of them are the same thing. That's odd. Anyways, Control Shift I, it's an array of stuff. Bracket 0, bracket 1. Okay. How does this thing work? Default init. Probably I need to do like window dot location dot search, maybe. Reload. Okay, not a problem. URL search params. What do you take? Nice. Dot size. Query dot get. I wanna get the guild. Awesome. Const guild ID is equals to that. Then what I'm gonna do is this thing is going to become that. Dollar guild ID exists, otherwise nothing. If it does exist, then and guild is equals to guild ID. Now we uncomment both of them. and that thing worked. I'm not sure what is the prop for it. Guild ID. Ah, Discord bot invite URL guild ID. Do 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 do. Discord bot invite URL for guild. Guild dash ID. That's it. Underscore ID. Will that work? And that works. Awesome. So I just replace this here. Blah blah blah. Don't need that. Invite works. Awesome. Now let's look at the home page. Why is that page working? So in the home page, we have price section, we have this section, blah, blah, blah. And I have a call now. Give me a second. And I'm back. So I have this. Okay. So the issue or thing is all of that is working because we have some real shit here in there. I mean, how do I fix that? Let's think about it. So what I can possibly do is I can paste all of that here, and then this might work. So we have button bot, manage server, invite server, and stuff, right? And then footer is like nowhere. Okay, that's fixable, I guess. So what we need to do is, first of all, I remove that. I go to home. This thing has broken home, right? Right now the home must be broken, right? It's broken. So we fix that by adding this thing right there. Now the home is fixed. So after fixing home, we go back to this section, right? This is okay. Now we go to the index. We remove the position absolute. Now we need to see if these things overlap. I'm pretty sure that's an overlap. Why does that happen though? How can I make it so they don't overlap? Main area is a position absolute. What if that thing is outside main area? I mean, that's possible, right? Let's try it. So the background, what if you are not inside the main area? What if you are before everything else? Control X, Control V. What happens then? I guess I need to give you a better Z index now. Now you are... Okay. Not a big deal, guys. We can probably fix that. Probably. So dot main area, I like to give you a Z index of 5. Fucking hell. 15. Why? What's wrong? BG buttons, their position absolute, their display block. What is their Z index? Their Z index is 0. So they should be below the stuff, but they are above the stuff. That's nice. Let's see. We have a lot of allies in the root. And then we have our main area. Okay. I'm not sure why that's happening, but what if the background comes afterwards? What happens now? What's up? Show yourself, dude. Where are your weak allies? Okay, there they are. They are behind it, right? Not sure about that. They're definitely above the things. That's a pain. That's a pain. That's a pain. So what do we do? We have few options. We can decrease their opacity even further. And I can make it so we cannot select. CSS make text not selectable. I don't remember the property, to be honest. User select none. So I'll just do that. Now it's not selectable. Awesome. In the company title, we have two H1s, right? First and second. Let's make one of them not selectable. Awesome. So that's improvement. Now, that's enough. I don't want to kill myself over that. So after that, as you guys can notice in the dashboard page, I'm very happy for some reason because I'm making some progress. Instead of chilling, div dot guild list, right? Copy that, paste that, copy this, paste this. Now we need to do some CSS again. We have blah blah blah. That's a lot of blah blah blahs. Then we go to the dashboard hero, blah blah blah, dot that. Display can become flex. Gap can become like 50 pixels. Flex wrap can become like wrap. And that's already interesting, I'll say. Margin can become like 20 pixel and auto. Width can become like fit content. And then I want to work with the guild card. I will like to have them like a width of 100 pixels, probably 200. Not bad. I like to have a text align of center in this. That's not bad either. But I will also like to give these guys a height of like 300 pixels, to be honest, because that's better. And you guys probably noticed one thing, the snap. We need that in my, you know what I'm talking about, guild list and the dashboard here. So something is wrong. Something broke everything. I'll reload the page. That's weird. Okay. So the dashboard hero, if I give you a scrolls snap align start, I guess I'll remove it from you. What happens then? That's interesting. That's interesting. I guess I'll start by giving some padding to these guys of like 5 viewport height. I have a voice call. Give me a second, everybody. All right, that was weird. Anyways, this is all. Oh. Okay. Scroll padding. Top 5vh. What about 25 VH? That does nothing for some reason. Nani desu ka? Do I have a div page somewhere here? I don't. Okay, so and what the fuck is all of this spacing? The footer width, it have a height of 149 and this footer have a height of 3000. Let's reload the page. Something must be wrong. Yeah, something was definitely wrong, dude. Okay. So I guess let's start designing the guild card, all right? Otherwise, I'll just start procrastinating or something. The background color in the dark mode should be obviously dark. I can't even notice that. Okay, and then I like to have a bit of padding of like 24 pixels and 10 pixels maybe. I don't know. I really hate these buttons, dude. Like they're legit causing a problem at this point. How can I... You know what, my friends? You no longer deserve to exist in the dashboard page. So I'll put you in the home page, don't worry. So this is fine. Home page is probably fine. These cars are nice as well. Yeah, that's nice. I just want to make sure the CSS okay. All right, all awesome here. We need to remove this page. We no longer want the background to exist everywhere. So first of all, why the hell this is happening? Let's figure that out by going in the dashboard page. Common. There should be uncommon guilds too. We have common guilds and uncommon guilds. So you should be uncommon, right? Otherwise that would be... Damn! No problem at all. So after that we have guild blah blah blah. Right, looking nice. I like to have a border radius of 10 pixels, to be honest. That will give it a good look. I like to increase something. That will be the width to 40 pixels. Not bad. The height can become like 320. Maybe. And then I like to do the image. I'll give it a width of 120, 64, 128 pixels. And a height of 128 pixels. That's nice, I'll say. So we have some width and height. Now obviously this thing should be a display of flex. This thing is legit same, to be honest. Flex direction should be column. Then I like you to have a margin of 0 auto. Text is like that. Blah blah blah. I like to copy the font here as well. Doesn't seem bad, does it? It seems okay. Then I would like to do a bit of CSS for my... Let's give this thing a maximum width as well. We have a width of fit content. Maximum width should be like, let's see, 100 pixels plus 250 is like 750. I guess I'll give it like 840 pixels. Yeah, that's nice. So okay, we need to do some stuff now. Border 2 pixels, solid red. Okay, I see. So 240 times 3, what is that? Let me do card width is 240 pixels. Now I want you to be calculate variable dash dash card width times 3 plus 100 pixels. 110 pixels. I have a call again, give me a second. All right, everybody. So now we have a pretty much basic design done. We have invite button, blah, 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 blah. It looks pretty sick, I will say. And now what is next? So next is actually making the dashboard page. So let's do that. As you probably know, I have no fucking idea how to do that. So let's see. So we have dashboard. I'll copy paste that and I'll rename that to something like guild dashboard. Guild dashboard. And after that, let's see what do we do next. So first of all, we need to change that to guild dashboard, guild data, usage again /auth. Wait a second. You Hey everybody, I am back after a bit of random stuff. Finally back. Ah. Alright, so guild dashboard. Okay. If I want the guild dashboard, I get the user data, that makes sense. Then I want the guild data. I can get it at auth me slash guild slash whatever is the guild ID, right? Guild ID. And then I replace that with this. I will not that guild const params is equal to use params, and we'll do params dot id. Nice. Blah 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 blah. Not logged in. And if not, guild data not allowed. And I have a call again. Awesome. So my friend is coming in my house shortly. So let me figure out what I can order online, because if I can, then that sounds good to me. So we have like what did I wanted to eat again? Fries, yeah. Fries, pizza, burger. I don't want that shit. I would love to have that crap. Damn these guys! If I had 4 rupee more stuff, then they will give me a discount. How the fuck am I supposed to do that? Yeah, that's not worth it. I'm not ordering anything. Fuck it. So what was I doing? Yeah, I was doing the fun stuff. Beautiful stuff. Beautiful stuff. I really love programming, man. Da, 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 da. And I'm serious when I say that. Control X that. Hand and hand. Okay, guild. Instead of guild, I like to make it something like wait a second. Guild. I'll call it backend guild. So it will have all of these things, right? That's totally needed. That's totally fine and amazing. But I'll give it a few more things like channels. We definitely need channels, right? Channel. So now you might be wondering what the fuck is a channel all of a sudden. That's pretty simple. It's an interface which will have like name and I guess ID. Can we need a channel row? Probably row. Do I need row? It would hurt to do that. Rows ROLE, and similar to that I have name ID, and I like to have the color. Do I really need a color? Let me think. Humans, I don't want to bother. I'll keep it. So when I get a guild data, does a guild have any other thing? Let me look at my database real quick. Front end, okay. Let me give me a minute. Give me a minute or two. Local disk key, Discord bots, button bot, source models. So we have a guild.js which have like subscription data. That's something interesting. Token doesn't really matter right now, so I'll say I'll add that. Subscription tiers and stuff. That will be a number. Apart from that, what can we have? We have some buttons, right? Replies and blah blah blah. I don't care about that, to be honest. We will have templates in future, so I will need to worry about that a bit. Anyways, this is the backend guild, right? So let's go to index.js, backend guild. We don't need that. Now in there, I like to copy this interface and I like to go to my page, right? So if somebody, let me just comment this baby, and then I'll copy this get guild. I'll paste that. So what was the route again? Slash guild slash ID. Yes, ID get my guild data, blah blah blah. Then what do I do? I will need to look into API docs again. I fucking hate that. I mean, that's fine, that's not a big deal, blah blah blah. Guild. So how do I get it? Get guild, there it is, slash guild slash ID. Okay, so we will get Discord guild, and I'll call it Discord guild, and we will give them the access token, and we'll give them the request.user.id. Here we'll do null if that doesn't exist. We need to get the Discord guild, and I'll need to remove all of that. Then we have a global service, I guess. Okay, I just do auth service and get guild data only. Also, I just realized I don't need to do request.user.id. I need to do the query guild. Right. Also, one more thing, I probably have it here as well. That's fine. Okay. So we have Discord guild, and then we have database guild. Right. Now let's go to auth service and define these, baby. I'll do alt click, control B, get API slash auth. Let's copy that, paste that. So we have get Discord guild. Okay, we have the access token, and then we have the guild ID, that's a string, blah blah blah. It will be version 10 slash guilds slash the goddamn ID. If I'm not wrong, I'm not wrong. Authorization, blah blah blah. Then I'm doing this dot guilds dot set, and let's set up a caching for that as well. Paste that. It will be guild, and let's think about that. I'll just set it like that, to be honest. Nah, let's keep it. Data last updated at. Okay, so we have this dot guilds. If last updated, then we are going to return the data. Otherwise, we are getting all of that, and then we are saving the data. When we are reading the data, that's nice. What's the problem, dude? Cache data is data. That's cool. Awesome. So I can get a Discord guild. Then we need something similar for async get guild data guild, and I guess I'll have the same bot thing here, button bot. It let's see, we have a guild query. I guess I can have another query for the bot. When we do get guild data, we have the bot as well. So we have guild, which is a string. Then we have bot, which is a string. Now, this dot guild, this dot global service. Okay, I have a call. Give me a second. And I'm back. So this dot global service dot, I don't see a model. I'll need to define that. Then let's go to our global service. User auth paytm 22. I need the guild schema, right? So that's control O. Let's go to local disk key, discord bots, button bot, source models, guild, right? And then similar to that, I have one for button bot guild schema, right? This is button bot guild. It is exported like that. And then what? Oh yeah, I need to actually copy the schema. Copy the damn schema, dude. Copy that, paste that. Need to copy the model ID as well. Let's go to our module, paste that, copy paste, control X, guild, button guild. Let's go to service, inject the goddamn model. It is guild button bot. And I need to do some definitions. So we have an interface for backend guild. Give me a second. Hello, Tomodachi. I'm back. I'm back. So where were we? First of all, I want to change the music. Let's do the cocaine one. Give me a second. I'm back once more. All right. So now we hear the cocaine song and stuff. Subscription, I guess. I'll control X that. And this is button bot, right? That means it's the front end. So database guild. We definitely have the ID. So I have a feeling that what I did just now was a bit dumb. I'll copy that. I'll undo all of that because I need to do it in the back end, to be honest. Yeah, right. So if I go in the back nest, I have neither of those. Awesome. Anyways, blah 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 blah. Awesome, awesome. And I like to export this one. I'll export this one as well. So where were we? It was service. Now this is a database kit. So we need asynchronous get database guild, I guess. Awesome. And that's awesome. I like to have the bot string as well. That's enough. Now the next question is, how am I handling this in my auth controller? So we are doing get discord guild and get guild data. Okay, so how am I getting the discord guild? I'm getting the discord guild pretty much finally. Then I'll just do return await this dot global service dot get database guild, and then I'll give them the guild ID and the bot. Pretty simple. And I like to return dot to JSON. If possible, I like to add a question mark just in case. So we are getting guild data, we are getting guild discord ID, and then what are we returning? We are returning them the discord guild plus the database guild, right? That's a good question. I need to return them this thing as a guild backend guild. So we need a lot of stuff. For that, I'll just do dot to dot. Discord guild. Then we need a couple of more things. For that, I'll just do database guild. Something is wrong for all of a sudden. ID subscription. What's wrong? What's wrong? Database guild. Did have ID and subscription. What's your problem? Conversion of type ID subscription blah 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 to type backend guild. ID subscription blah 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 is missing the following property: channels and roles. Ah, that's simple. Channels and roles. Da, 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 dun, dun, dun. Okay, so we need to do a few more things. Discord guild channels and roles. Somebody that Discord channel and roles. Token and guild ID, that's awesome. And then I go to the auth. I'll copy that, paste that, get Discord channel. So, and similar to that, we have the one for roles. That way, let's see, how do I get the get guild channels? That is slash channels. Okay. I used to know. Got me up. And then how do I get roles? Probably slash roles, but just to be safe, get members, add guild member role, remove guild member. There it is, slash roles. Used to know somebody. Used to know somebody. Somebody. Okay. v.json. By the way, in the get Discord guild, the cache should be based on that. My bad. Then we have get Discord guild channels. So the cache should be based on guild ID here as well. I messed up a bit. Okay, that's better now. Awesome. And I just realized a problem. Need to do that. Okay. So I'm getting the Discord channels, blah, blah, blah. In the data, I want to make some changes though. We are doing guilds, right? Should I have channels and roles? That won't hurt. Channels and roles. So the data for this thing will be channel array. And I guess we need to export them now, don't I? Where's my global? Global, there it is. Channel and role. And role. Then what is next? Then I just set them stuff, right? So we are getting the Discord server. Where is it? Yeah, there it is. So instead of this dot guilds, it will be this dot channels, channels of this server, blah blah blah. Then we will have same but for roles, and this thing will be data dot map is equals to ID and name only. I'll copy that. Then for some reason, do I have an extra bracket? No, I don't. What's the problem? Cache. What's the problem? This thing is a promise for an array of channel. Ah, that's the problem. Not a big deal. Row. After that, we have cached our data and stuff. I just realized another error, by the way. I'll fix that in a bit. So another error that we have is, oh, we don't have none. Nice. I guess we likely need to have color here. Something is wrong here. I wonder what that might be. So you expected a comma. I guess you are talking about this. So I guess that's it. Now what's the problem? Okay, so we have property ID is missing in the channel. Okay, that seems dumb. That seems like a lie, I'll say. Okay, so the channels thing have a problem. Okay, I'll look into them. Get Discord channels. You are returning and am I not using await? I'm using await. An array of channel, right? ID is there. That's nice. So let's go to the type definition. That's not the channel I'm looking for. What the hell? Come on. Stop playing with me. So this works. Nice. Let's go to localhost 3000 /auth/me/guild/ let's get a guild ID like this one, I guess. Enter. If my luck is good, it works. If my luck is not that good, it doesn't work, I guess. So what's the problem? Data.map didn't work. Yeah. Why though? Get Discord, blah 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 blah. I'm decrypting it. Okay, that's weird. I like to console.log the data. What might be causing them? I wonder. Let's reload the page. And unauthorized. Do you want me to log in again? Or something? Guild ID/channels. I am not authorized. It is not forbidden, it is unauthorized. That should be likely fixed with a login. I don't see a need to log in though because I'm able to get the servers. But I'm not able to get this particular thing. I am not authorized for some reason. Access token, comma guild ID. Okay. We have the access token, comma guild ID. Get Discord guild channels, roles, guild data is equals to guild comma bar. Okay. You know what? I will do something. I will just return an array for now. I want you to console log that damn thing for this. And get Discord guild. I like to get that as well. Just return me just return. Yeah, that's not bad. /@ts_ignore and let's figure it out. Probably the bot is not in this, the user is not in this. That's a bit less likely. See, the server is right here, right? Then what might be the issue? Think about it. Ooh, this is hard. So what is happening? Let's think about it, my friend. Get database skill. Find one or create it. All right. So for some reason, the guy says I'm not authorized to access it. But why is this user not authorized to access the damn thing? I don't understand that. I'm fetching this slash. There are too many slashes, I guess. Is that the problem? Probably not, right? But who knows? That might be the problem, to be honest. Let's see. I guess that was not the problem after all. Why am I unauthorized? I don't understand. I'm fetching, I'm giving you the headers, in which I'm giving you the authorization, in which bearer space token. In for token, I'm decrypting. So I'm authorization bearer token, and the token I'm decrypting. This is the user's access token. Do you want me to do it with that bot token? What do you guys say? Let me think. Da, 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 da. I should be able to do it, to be honest, but let me see. Do I need some other OAuth powers? I probably need to do, so I might end up using my own bots token, but let me just look into that. OAuth and identify guilds. Application commands? No. Email, yes. Guilds.join is quite interesting, but I'll not do that. So we have RPC bot application DM channel read, guild member read, role connections dot write, guild member read. If I'm getting guilds, what kind of what do I need? I want to go back. I want to get guild roles. The user should have manager permission. Do I not have that permission? But it is not saying unauthorized. It is saying unauthorized, not forbidden. I'm pretty sure I have the owner role. Yes, I do have it. Okay, I have a proposition for myself. Let's try to not give the authorization header and see if there is any difference. It's same. That's very interesting. Why? I am giving you the header, I'm giving you the authorization, then what's your problem? Ah, this sucks. Bot, blah 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 blah. What's your problem, man? Guild, blah 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 blah. What is the problem? Subscription ID. Why? Okay. Discord API. Fetch guild channels 401. Oh, somebody already got this problem. That's headers, clients. Ah, he didn't put the bearer. Damn. Okay. Let's stop the music and think. So right now our problem is we are going to the API, right? Ah, okay, Noah. Guild ID. I don't really want to use the Discord bot token, man. I want to use the user access token. Okay. Discord.js user access token to fetch guild channel. Oh, this is exactly what I was looking for. What the fuck? I'll try to log in once more, to be honest. If that doesn't work, we are going with the bot. Authorize that. And I'm logged in. Reload that. Didn't work. Okay, guys, it's backup time. We'll copy this. Get Discord guild. Control V. We no longer do that. Instead, we copy this. Control L, paste. Now, obviously, we go back and we have this bot. And instead of all of these, I'll just do that. Bot comma guild. And most likely this will work. If it doesn't work, give me a second. Back to work, baby. So it said unauthorized. Is this a suitable time to choose the end? It's not. I also have to do question mark bot is equals to beta. It might work this. Let's fucking go, baby. That worked. But we have a even more interesting error. That is invalid form body guild ID errors. What the fuck? What the fuck, man? So what we are gonna do is exactly. I'll just JSON.stringify the damn thing because I have no idea what that error means. I can probably Google search that. That is probably faster, but I could care less about faster. Anyways, close that. Let me check out real quick. Oh shit, I used the wrong payment method. Damn. The transaction failed. I mean, that's a bit interesting. Now I can use the correct payment method. Let me reload. And that piece of shit didn't work. JSON.stringify. I guess I need to worry about. Wait a second. I have no idea what my OTP is, dude. It worked. So I'm doing if the error then JSON.stringify. Right. I'm trying to stringify the damn thing. But it wasn't stringified. Okay, that worked. Fucking hell. You know what? I'll change this instead. Comma null, comma 2. JSON dot stringify. And this better give me a good text error this time instead of being a weirdo. Value undefined is not a snowflake. We have a guild ID right there. Also this. Wow, that's spectacular. I'm supposed to do params here. Damn, dude. Damn. Wait a second. If I will change my... Oh my goodness. This thing is pissing me off. Now you are just being a weirdo. Okay, I'll need to Google that. Nest URL para. My bad. My bad. Let's go back, reload the damn thing. It fucking worked, my friends. My humans. Lovely. It worked. I am super glad. Now I am a bit angry as well because of some stuff. And that stuff will be, what should I say? First of all, Control X that, and Control X this. Then I need to do the access token shit once more. Not there. Here. One, two, three, okay. Access token, nice. Copy that, paste that, paste that. And then the authorization, I can copy that. And paste that. Now, we really hope it works. If it doesn't, then I like to do a couple of Control Z's. And let's reload. If it works, that's a GG. If it doesn't work, that's weird. So we have fucking lot of things in the guild. Then we have roles with a lot of stuff as well. That's weird. What the hell? Am I doing something wrong here? Oh. If I reload again, it should be better. Yeah, that's better. There are like 100 things here for some reason. Emojis? Stickers? Channels? Dude, are you saying that these two functions were useless? Please don't say that to me, dude. Let me comment that. Comment that. Let me //ts-ignore. Please don't tell me that, dude. Are you saying that was useless, all of that? We have emojis, stickers. What the fuck is all of that? Why do I have members as well? I don't want the fucking... The roles are already there. That's crazy, dude. So I was doing those... Damn, man! All of that was useless. I'll keep this piece of code. I wrote it, that's why. Anyways, I like to make some changes here. So data dot channels is equals to data dot channels dot map, and then I'm gonna copy nothing. Then we have data dot roles. Amazing. I guess we are missing a bracket there. Then I like to do a couple of changes in this guild thing, right? I like to export interface legit guild. This thing will just extend guild, and we will have like channels will be this channel thing, and role will be the goddamn role thing. And then my auth service, this will be a legit guild. And then this thing will be a legit guild as well. Right? Oh, it is not imported. Okay. Awesome. So if I reload, It probably works. Does it work? It doesn't work. Okay. Cannot property of undefined reading map. Data.channels is undefined. I did saw roles though. I guess channels I need to import. Oh shit, he's right. I guess I can remove the channels part. I still have that. I'm very glad I didn't remove it. So I can go to the legit guild. You know what? You know what, my human friends? You know what? I'll call that thing right here. Comment this. Await this dot get channels, right? What is it? Bot is what? Bot is the bot. Guild ID is the guild ID, right? Get the channels. Awesome. Let's go back and reload. Please work, man. So we have features, I could care less. We have roles, lovely. We have emojis, I could care less. We have stickers, I could care less. We have channels. With goddamn lot of things for some reason. I need to fix that. I don't want that many things. Let's reload it. This time I think we should have less stuff. Damn, dude, why do we have that much stuff? I don't like that. Guild channels, blah blah blah. Ah, I'll just paste that there. Reload that. And that didn't work. Let's remove, hide these arrays. Remove that. Yeah, that's better. If I reload it, it's almost instant. Okay, amazing. So pretty much we have a lot of stuff right now which I don't find myself a fan of. What if I make this thing raw data? What if I call it raw data? Right, and then I can do that, and then const data can be equal to, let's see, what does a legit guild have? And have all sort of stuff. All right, so we will do just raw data dot id. Raw data dot that. I mean I can just do this, right? And I can just do this, right? And then I can just remove those, right? And then yeah, that's a lot of stuff there. What? I'm getting the Discord guild. I see like 100 errors for some reason. Oh, that makes sense. All right. So are you done for a restart? Yes, you are. Let's reload the page. Oh, shit. Shit. Awesome. Oh, I forgot to chat. Yo, what are my laptop specs? Fuck, I'm 7 minutes late. But, Groove, if you are still there, my laptop specs are i5 10th generation, 16 gigabytes of RAM. And wait a second. Hello. Okay. So the part of food which I ordered online, it is here. But my friend and the part of food which he is getting is not here yet. God damn. Anyways, let's set up our front end to actually get the guild data. So what we are doing, all slash me slash guilds, and then we need this part. That's it. Now I'd like to know one more thing. Where else am I using that? I'm using in get database guild. Then I'm using in, that's the same thing. In these four, guild role, guild channel, guild get, bot discord server. And then I'm using this function in. Okay. I'm using this function in the, what the hell, in this slash me slash guilds slash me slash guilds. Okay, so that means I should go here and then I should go in the dashboard slash me slash guilds question mark bot should be beta for now, right? Beta, I hate myself, beta and bot, right? Now after that, where am I using the get guild data function? I'm using it in our id, bot is here, me slash guild slash id, that is the same. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, all good, almost. I should probably make a process dot and should I do that? Don't want to do that. You know what, I'll just make it button and then button, and I'll go here, I'll open the .env in a goddamn live stream, copy. How much did you guys see? Just a bit of it. That's not bad. I mean, the part you guys saw, that is easily guessable as well. I mean, calculatable. Anyways, let's go. So probably we are somewhat done. If I go on dashboard, I should see the guilds, which was an empty array. What the fuck? Cannot read property of undefined, reading length, blah blah blah. Why was that the case? Bot guilds dot sum is not a function. That's totally understandable. I like to console log the bot query. Console log the bot query. Then I have to get bot discord thing. Okay. I like to just console log this piece of shit as well. Console log that piece of shit. And 3 2 1 reload. Please work. Please work. Come on. And any moment. I'll reload again. It is called button, and that worked. Was not expecting that to work. Go to manage. And okay, let's set up this page. So the progress is going a bit slow, I have a feeling, but it's all good. It's all good, right? And I'll need to do get guild icon, guild data. We have avatar. Here I'll do guild data dot name. I'll not do these p's for now. Use the setup below to create embeds, buttons. Tip, you can save templates to use them later. And then I just set up the URL. Dashboard, blah blah blah. Okay, let's copy that piece of shit. Slash ID, I guess that's what I called it. Yes, sir. Dashboard guild, right? Let's export this piece of code. This is going good, man. Damn, how is it going so good? Wait a second. What? What? I didn't explore it. And awesome. And holy fucking shit, look at that. Does that work? It does. So let's see where we are. So our this page is done. Now I need to set up. I'll just copy the whole damn thing. Copy that. Paste that. I'll obviously remove like most of that crap. Delete. And probably I should remove these as well. I'll delete that. Select all of that. Shift, obviously put it like there. And I remove that. Awesome. Blah 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 slash dashboard. I'll call this thing guild dashboard slash id. So we have username, blah blah blah. Now this is the actual section. So think, my friends, what do we possibly need in this damn thing? 1 2 3 4 5. So we need first of all we need the embed builder, and connectedly we need a button builder, and then we need to display output screen. I should just call it output screen. And then we need the config area that will be like send, save, slash load template and stuff. My friend is here, I guess. All right, everybody, I will meet you guys tomorrow. Now my friend is there, and talk to you later.